Hello student, today we are going to solve exercise 1.1 chapter 1. Your first question is use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of number 1 135 and 225, second 196 and 38,220, and third 867 and 255. So, solution of your first question, we will take 135 as a divisor and 225 as a dividend. Now start division. 135 1 ja 135. After subtracting, you will get 90 as a remainder. Now this divisor 19 will get changed into divisor and your new dividend will be 135. Now 90 1 ja 90. Subtract 90 from 135, you will get 45 as a remainder. And this time 45 will get changed into divisor and your new dividend will be 90. So 45 to the 90 and you will get 0 as a remainder. Now by using Euclid division algorithm, what is Euclid division algorithm? Algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So your first step will be this one. This one will be your first step. So 225 dividend, 135 divisor, 1 is quotient and 90 is remainder. In second step, here is your second step, this one. So 90, yes, 135 is your dividend, 90 is divisor and 1 is quotient, 45 is remainder. In third step, here is your third step. 90 is dividend, 45 is divisor, 2 is quotient and remainder is 0. So your HCF will be 45. जिस आखिरी डिवाइजर से रिमाइंडर का मान 0 हो जाए वही आखिरी डिवाइजर आपका HCF होता है। ठीक इसी तरीके से आप इसके दूसरे और तीसरे पार्ट को भी सॉल्व करेंगे। सेकेंड पार्ट में जो बड़ा है नंबर वो आपका डिविडेंड और जो छोटा है वो कोशिएंट डिवाइज़र के रूप में लिया जाएगा। फिर हम डिवीज़न स्टार्ट करेंगे। 196 1 ja 196. After subtracting this number, you will get 186 as a remainder. After taking 2, this number is 1862. This time 196 9s are 1764. After subtracting, you will get 98 as a remainder. Now taking 0, so your new number is 980. 196 5s are 980. After subtracting, you will get 0 as a remainder. So by using Euclid's division algorithm, here is only first step. Okay, 196 divisor, this number is dividend and this is your coefficient, or finally your remainder is 0. So in this case, first time in first step you have to get 0 as a reminder. That's why your answer will be 196. It means 196 will be your HCF. Okay, now in third question, taking 876 as a dividend, 225 is divisor, so 3 times you will take. Now 765, subtract this number from this number, you will get 102. Now take 102 as a new divisor and new dividend will be 225. So this time for division your coefficient will be 2. So 204. Now subtract this number, you will get 51 as a remainder. This remainder will get changed into new divisor and new dividend will be 100 to 51 2s are 102. Now you will get 0. Now by using Euclid division algorithm, step first 867 is your dividend, 225 is your divisor, 3 is your coefficient and 102 is remainder. Step 2, is here. 225 is dividend, 102 is divisor, coefficient is 2 and remainder is 51. And last step is step 3. Step 3, 102 is dividend, 51 is divisor, quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. So the last divisor is 51. So HCF will equal to 51, क्योंकि इसी लास्ट डिवाइजर से आपके रिमाइंडर का मान 0 हुआ है. So this is your answer.